Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 E450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the exterior lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front rear LED daytime running lights, AMG line exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB text with a natural grain oak wood trim, sunroof, spoiler, E450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, ambient lighting, Burmeister sound system, warmth and comfort package, memory seats, ambient lighting, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, dual clamp controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E450 has 27,778 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you want to view more photos of this E450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.